bear is up this white oak tree, and he's right up there. See him up there? Little crotch. He doesn't know what. He's been up there 2 nights, and he's ready to come down. 3 days now. So I'm gonna get him. He should be pretty easy to get. He looks like a nice kitty. Hey, bear. Kitty. You ready? Oh, pumpkin. Yeah, you're a sweetie. Okay, let me get you, okay? All right. Okay, Bear's a sweetie. I got him. I got him. He's a sweetheart. Just a sweetheart. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go, pumpkin. Here we go. Okay, Kathmandu's coming down. All right, you got him? You got him?
Got him.
Okay, walk backwards. Okay. Okay.
You little rascal. You little rascal. How'd you get all the way up there, huh? Somebody chased you up there.
We caught everybody.
You're welcome.
Hold on, we're gonna get you out of the bag.
We're gonna get you out of the bag.
Hold on.
Okay, all right.
Don't squeeze your head out there.
It's okay.
Okay.